Hi, we're here again with Tuesday Talks with Ted and Betty. We've got a special treat for you. Today, we're at the El Dorado facility, and we're going to even do a whole series of vignettes of what happens here. But first, Ted, tell them what happens here.
Well, this is the Keystone Plant of Pioneer. We do all kinds of exciting things that have to happen to balloons before you get your hands on them. Now, I know it's very, very windy today, so maybe we better get inside. So come on, everybody.
Come on,
let's go inside.
Wow, I hope this is a lot better. It was really getting windy out there. But you know, that's the way Kansas is, I guess, this time of year.
Sure is.
By the way, you know, you mentioned outside that a lot happens, you know, and this is really a big plant.
Yes, it is a big plant. It's about 220,000 square foot facility.
And how many people work here?
Oh, something in excess of about 225 people.
Oh, wow, wow. Now, you also said it's a big facility, and what do you do in all that 220,000 square feet?
Well, there are four primary functions that happen here. Things that happen before you get a chance to see the balloons and use them in your different facilities. First of all, we are the prime foil manufacturing facility here, where we print all the film, we convert it into balloons, and package it for distribution around the world. Now, that includes the complete North Star facility.
Oh, and that's pretty recent, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Just the last couple of years,
Oh, okay.
We're doing all the North Star products here as well.
So it's all the Qualitex foil and all the North Star foil.
That's
it's
correct.
All completely, basically all done here.
That's right.
Wow.
In addition, it's also Pioneer's primary latex conversion facility. We do a great deal of printing on latex balloons. We don't manufacture them here.
Maybe that's for another time.
That will show the manufacturing of latex at another session. But we do printing, and we do sorting, and also all the packaging for a lot of the latex balloons. In addition, and it's new this year, we are now producing bubbles here. The film is actually made in Japan, but we'll do the printing and the packaging and the conversion of bubbles at this facility. So we'll no longer have any problems meeting the demand for bubbles.
Is that a promise?
That's a promise. You got it.
Okay, then our customers, we're gonna hold him to that. He made that promise on air. Well, we'll see. By the way, you know, you mentioned foil and latex and bubbles.
Right.
You know, how many balloons really flow through this plant in maybe one day?
And one day we will process something in excess of about 5 million balloons will go through this facility and be shipped to you. Now, one of the last of the four primary functions here we have to remember is the whole distribution center.
Oh, that's right.
Because it's the hub facility for Pioneer where we make sure that we get all the balloons distributed to all our facilities around the world.
It's got to be a busy hub if they're doing shipping all those balloons.
It is a very busy hub. Okay, so let's take a deeper look at what happens at this facility. This modern facility is located on 16 prime acres of commercial land in El Dorado, Kansas, about 25 miles northeast of Pioneer's headquarters located in Wichita. Much of the equipment that you'll be seeing was designed and built by Pioneer engineers and machinists. This plant has received many manufacturing awards. In fact, in 2018, Pioneer was honored with all three prime awards, gold, silver, and bronze. In addition, Pioneer has received export awards, being named Kansas Export of the Year for 2 years. And in 2014, the U.S. Department of Commerce presented Pioneer with the President's E-Certificate for Exports for contribution to export expansion for the entire United States.
From this facility, we support and augment the activities of all of Pioneer customers around the globe. We have Pioneer affiliates called Pioneer Europe, that serves all of the UK and Europe, Pioneer Canada, Pioneer Mexico, that serves Mexico and Latin America, Pioneer Australia, that serves Australia and New Zealand, Pioneer Brazil, and we serve the rest of the globe, including Asia, Middle East, and Africa, directly from El Dorado, Kansas.
Overall, we ship to over 100 different countries. About 52% of Pioneer's volume is in the international areas. And as you can see, we have lots of room to support the needs of our customers for many, many years into the future.
We hope you enjoyed this first look at the El Dorado facility, and we'll be doing a lot more. So be sure to tune in for more talks, Tuesday Talks with Ted and Betty.
See you next Tuesday.
See ya.